Another blended family question from the Modern Divorce Support Group. I have a court hearing next Tuesday. My ex, who I share 2 children with, they are 6 and 5-year-old girls, and ex hasn't seen them in 3 years prior to this court order requesting parenting time every other weekend and holidays. He lives 3.5 hours away. He's also only doing this because he has a new girlfriend. What should I do to prepare? I have an attorney, but they don't seem to be doing anything, and I've been having nightmares about the situation. My oldest is in sports. The games are on Saturdays. What do I do? Okay, so my name's Billy Tarasio. I'm an Arizona family law attorney, owner of Modern Law, and on my page you ask me family law questions, I give you answers. First thing is, if you've got a court hearing next Tuesday and you're freaking out, one of the things you can do is go to winwithoutlawschool.com. It's a company I own, and you can take the trial skills course. That will teach you everything you need to know about trial. It will answer all of your questions about trial, how to be a great witness, how to be organized. Even though this is designed for people who are representing themselves, it can still be a tremendous resource if you're in litigation and you just want to know more without paying your lawyer $400 an hour to tell you more. Also, I'm not sure what your position is at trial. He hasn't seen them in 3 years. You had not previously asked to terminate his rights, so he's asking for parenting time. I'm not sure what your position is. Is your position that he should continue to have no parenting time? Because that is essentially a termination. It's very, very hard to get a termination. You're looking at some sort of a long distance plan. So if you don't like every other weekend, you could propose an alternative long distance plan that gives him breaks. So that might mean half of Christmas break, some time during the summer, spring break. Then your child wouldn't be missing her games. But I don't know what type of a dad he is. And so we would really want to dive into, what do we know about this person? And what do we know about the new girlfriend? And I can't tell you how many times I've heard dad has a new girlfriend and now there's a renewed interest. And I don't know I don't know what to think about that. Part of me thinks that children are better off following their parents splitting up when their parents repartner, because I think it's really hard to be a single parent, and it gets easier when you've got 2 adults in the household. So sometimes dad's new girlfriend makes dad a better parent and makes that environment more stable and more supportive for your children, which is ultimately a good thing. Other times you have girlfriends who are in and out, in and out, in and out, and that's not necessarily a good thing. So it depends totally and completely, in my opinion, on dad. What type of a dad is he? And the girlfriend. What type of a girlfriend is she? Does she like children? Does she have children? Is she going to be good to your children? So what do you all think? What can you tell this person who has a court hearing coming up on Tuesday, who's freaking out? What should she be doing?